So guys, welcome back to the channel. Before moving forward, I wanted to show you this one tool called Gradio. This tool will be using to create simple interfaces. So Gradio is basically a Python library that lets you build quick interactive web UIs for your machine learning models, APIs, or any other data or database. You want to create simple charts, simple interactive UI without any code. You can use Gradio. Basically you write a function and Gradio wraps it in a shareable web interface. No front-end code required, so anyone can do it. Think of it like this: you write a Python function uh, like to calculate the sum of two variables a and b, and you get two text boxes, one above, one down, and then you click on submit and then you get the response. So this helps you test models faster, share demos with clients or teammates, uh, build small tools and dashboards with UI, right? And also let's say the key features of Gradio are like you can use buttons, sliders, you can make chatbots, you can do file uploads, image input, audio input, or add drop downs. You can make all types of simple interfaces using Gradio. So let's move directly to the code and see how it works. We'll be using Gradio to make to make a chatbot like interface using the GPT API in the coming in next videos, right? So first we just import Gradio as gr just to keep it short. We close all the running instances of Gradio currently. Then let's make a simple interface to greet the user. So I'm gonna run this. Okay, so I have to run this first and then run this. So it's created a simple user interface with label, name, and output. So let's say write j, submit, hello j. So this works like simply this is how it works. Gradio.interface, it will require a function and the input and the outputs, right? There can be multiple inputs and outputs. So this is the type of input, text. We need a text box to enter in the string, and the output will also be a text box. It will output a string only. The function is simple. It takes in argument, the input, and we just return the response. Also Gradio will host it on a local URL, so you can do this, open this URL, and you have this better interface. You can you get better visibility from the notebook at least, but it's fine, you can use the notebook as well, it's the same thing. So next we'll be running an add function. We'll be having multiple inputs, number, and a single output as number itself. So let's run this 5 7 and we get the output 12, right? So this is simply you can add inputs in this array type structure, and you can give outputs. It can be a single or it can be multiple outputs as well. So next let's move on to the next. It's a bit more complicated. So we have two inputs, number A, number B. We can give the label gr.number. We can have a button. We can name the we can give label to the button like this, and then we'll have multiple outputs, some output as well as product output, and we'll be just putting it into the array for outputs and inputs in this. And we have 4, let's say 10, 14, 40, right? So it's working. You can make your own calculator, or you can make other chatbots type interface here. So, and also we can have radio buttons. For example, we can have drop downs, radio buttons, etc. Let's just run this. Happy submit, you are feeling happy. So this will be the type. If you also set share equals to true in this, it can make you a public link that you can share with your peers easily. There's a reason that I showed you how to use Gradio, because we'll be using Gradio to build chat interface with GPT API in our next video. So stay tuned. Thank you guys.